Hey everybody, so welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, hello, and if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you're old, please like and comment. It really helps the channel. It's the only way the algorithm's gonna know we're here. So we have kind of a big haul today of a menagerie of stuff, and you'll have to excuse me, I'm surrounded by canned potato products here, our french fries, our veg all, and they're everywhere because I need to wash them, put them back in their box, and put them in storage. So let's get started. So we have an eggplant, we have a bag of avocados, and if you're having trouble with your produce, this came from Misfit Market, but even from them or anywhere else, wash your produce as soon as you get it home in vinegar water and then store it, and that will lengthen the life of your fruits and vegetables, especially berries, but I mean everything. Wash it really well with vinegar and water, or baking soda and water, and that gets the bacteria off. I don't know what's happening with the produce. It'll look beautiful and then you get it home and something goes wrong, but I wash all of mine that way and it extends the life back to normal. And this is Jace JAS Family Farms Organics Hot Pepper Mix. So this is just a variety of, it looks like serranos, jalapenos, and I don't know what else. It doesn't say. But product of the USA. So I'm still waiting on my jalapenos. I got some Dave's Killer Bread. This is the 21 whole grain. I love this stuff. And thank you for reminding me about cucumber sandwiches, Tilly. I forgot all about those. So I'm going to make me a cucumber sandwich on this yummy bread. I love this bread. I got some traditional pita, and I'm going to do a Arabic, I guess you'd say, or Persian recipe with that. We got, I've told you all I love the Japanese sweet potatoes. I got 3. You get 3 when you get them from Misfit Market. Look at the size of these. I am so excited because I love, love, love these sweet potatoes. These are amazing. I want to know where I can get slips to grow these. I have a stack of cucumbers over here. I'm just surrounded in produce right now. So yeah, I'm excited about I can eat one of those as a meal for like 2 days. I got some Ghirardelli or Ghirardelli, depending how you want to pronounce it, semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I'm going to do a video on storing your chocolate for longer term. I got 2 more cans of chicken. I got 2 4-packs of the cream of mushroom soup, just because you can use this in so many applications, from like what we did in the sun oven with the pork chops, to the smothered chicken if you don't have cream of chicken, to casseroles, all sorts of stuff. So very handy to have. These were $4 and change on Amazon per 4-pack. You can get better deals as well if you use the subscribe and save. I got a 3-pack of bone meal to put in for next year's garden. I will say, if you have possums in your area, they will eat this. We have a possum underneath our shed, and I had a bag of this on the floor in the shed, and it was eating it. So they don't climb, so put your bone meal and such up on a shelf or ledge. Who knew a possum would eat your stuff? I have a bag of Ugly's kettle chips, salt and vinegar for the snack stash. I got some Cheez-It Snapped barbecue flavor for the snack stash. Hold on. Okay, hubby's home, so it might get a little noisy. I got him some sweet potato chips from Ugly's kettle chips. He didn't like the other ones because they're small, but I have a feeling that's just how sweet potatoes are. But hopefully these are actually bigger chips. They feel okay inside. We got some Cheez-It Puffs. It says they're new, and these are scorching hot cheddar. So all this is for the snack box. I got his yogurt for the week. We got fly strips. Flies haven't really been bad this year compared to what they normally are. We got some Street Kitchen Japanese teriyaki chicken. It's a kit, has the sauce, the herbs, everything you need to make your Japanese teriyaki chicken. And we got one in butter chicken. So you've seen me do the butter chicken. I can't remember that brand. So this is the same thing, just a different brand. So hopefully it is as good and maybe not as hot. The other one was very spicy. I got these sandals. You guys want to make sure you have your shoes and extra clothes. They are getting very expensive. My husband's work pants doubled in price. Couldn't believe it. We have the Chilorio shredded seasoned pork. And then these I'm excited about, the street taco kits from Old El Paso. We got the carne asada steak, asado chicken. Can you guys even see? Here's these if you didn't see them. They're called Street Kitchen is the brand. And then we got the barbacoa beef. I love me some tacos. And then we got the Taco Bell Crunchy and Soft Taco Kit. And these come with your taco sauce and your seasoning for the meat. So you can use your canned meats, like your canned chicken, your canned pork, your canned beef, your salsas. We got some salsa. Your home canned salsa, your store-bought salsa. If you don't have lettuce and you have cabbage, you can thinly slice your cabbage. I mean, really, the lettuce is just for the crunch, and that works really well, and I'm not the biggest cabbage fan. We got some street sauce, Taqueria Roja. That's by Herdez. And then I'm on my ice cream kick, and I want to make my husband some chocolate. So we got some hot fudge. I want to make my own banana split. Some strawberry. And I've not tried this brand, but Nesquik chocolate syrup. We got some savory beef gravy. Can use it in a million applications. Got some dark cocoa powder. Got 2 jars of the dried beef. This has been virtually impossible to get. So I got 2 jars of that. We like our SOS. Chip beef and gravy. And we got buffalo with a kick of garlic, spicy garlic wing sauce. And another some pint jars. And I think that's it. Our produce, our sauce, our taco kits, and our garden stuff. Sorry. So, yes, be aware if you get bone meal for your garden to store that above where critters that apparently like to eat it can stay out of it. So anyways, you all take care. You stay cool. We're like 102 or 3 today with a little bit of rain. So the humidity's insane. Made a couple loaves of banana bread last night. I need to prep some cucumbers as per usual for some old-fashioned bread and butter pickles. That video will be coming. And yeah, so you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. I gotta put all of this away.